Hi everyone, good evening. I want to continue but it's like a fine wine memory unlock. Okay, I tried to recall during my kindergarten. I think it's just enough. That's it. Yeah, so I want to continue about when I'm at the primary school. Okay, first I think early. This is a lot. Okay, my primary school is at Sekolah Rendah Kebangsaan Putra. Sekolah Rendah Kebangsaan Putra, which is at Kanga Perlis. Okay. Yes. I want to share. I have one memory. Where I love to sit alone. There is one part in the school which is got like garden, and then got flowery plants, like got hibiscus and so on. And then I love to sit there alone. I will sit on the green grass. Okay, why? Because I love the feeling of the grass. It makes me feel relaxed. Okay, because on that time one class can be like 30 to 40 students. Okay, so it's very nice. Even teacher also need to shout, so I don't feel easy people shouting. Okay, it doesn't mean that I'm scared. Okay, people that the 1% people which is the chosen one to have which people nowadays use the term autism. Okay, we don't know, we don't scare actually, we don't feel scared, we just feel not easy because we think that it's inappropriate. Okay, I think that's why my microphone exists. Because someone think like this is not appropriate for you to shout. Why you need to shout? Okay. So usually at rest time, I don't like to go to school canteen because it's too crowded. So what I did is I went to the co-op, Koperasi, where the school kid buy the eraser and so on. So I buy some food and I will go sit alone. At the garden on the grass. Okay. One more things in front of the garden got one like a workshop for electrics. I think for the science subject. And then got also like workshop. Okay, for the science I think. So I like to go around the workshop, look at the tools. Like I still remember the RPG. Okay, and then we have the things to cut the wood, the L and so on. So usually I spend my rest time not at the canteen, but in the garden alone, because I need to chill myself after all the chaos in the class. Okay, and I still remember after I was chill out alone in the garden. I think that's at my first early primary school. Got one boy. I was come to tease me around. He will come and then sing a song in Malay one, which is I think from the SPDC one. From Hidup Bersama is what should I sing something like di tepi pantai yang indah duduk seorang diri or something like that. But he always come and teasing me around because I always sit alone there. So do I have friends? I don't join the kids. Yes, I do join the kids. Usually I join them for the, you know, the tiang empat. You know, we play the game tiang empat. The 4 poles where you need to change the poles and then make sure the one at the center don't take the poles. Okay, tiang empat. Yes, I play that with them. I don't consider them friends. I just consider them as people that I know and I play with. Okay. And then I play the batu seremban. The batu seremban is like we have 5 to 7 small stones. Okay. And then we try to balance it with our hand like that. You see? This is the result of many years playing that. And then we will pull it like that, and then we will catch the stones that we call batu seremban. Yes, this one is the kind of games that I play with the kids when I'm in the early primary school, year 1, year 2, and year 3. Okay, everything is peaceful, but at that time I don't run from school. I don't go out from school because at the primary school got the guard. Got the guard. So I'm not like go out from school I used to go out from kindergarten. So this is my school time. Nobody bully me all the time. No bully things at my time. Everything just fine. Just fine. Things start become a little bit rough when my second sibling, I'm the first one, and I got brother. Sorry, I'm the first, and the second one is boy, is brother, which is 2 years younger than me. So when I step into year 3, he went to the same school. He went to the same school as year 1. Okay. So when I go to year 4, okay, Raja 4, of course he go one level, which is year 2. Year 2. Then the things start become, for me, is messy. Okay. Why? First, because not just our parents, but the teachers. The teachers also start comparing me and my brother. Okay. I am like a good student lah. Good student because I'm not naughty. I do my thing. Okay, I do my thing. I'm not naughty, but I do my thing. Okay. And I always get a good result. I have good result, and I go on stage almost every year. Okay. I always got A for subject, so on. However, my second brother is otherwise. He's so naughty. He not perform in academic, and it made things worse because teachers always do this kind of sentence like, why don't you clever like your sister? Why you so naughty compared to your sister? Your sister is very good. And not just teachers, also my parents, I think, do the comparison, and he's so angry with me.